So, hopefully, you had a great weekend, as I assume you did because you didn't have to go to school. I'm not here today, but so far, you should have a pencil out and a piece of paper. No Mugshot Monday today. We'll do that next week. What I want you to do right now is go ahead and clear off the table. The only thing you should have in front of you is a piece of notebook paper and a pencil. So go ahead and do that, and I'll wait. Okay, that should be done. We're going to talk about your activity for today. As you can see, taped in front of each seat at a table, there are words. Some of these words should look familiar. Anybody think where you found these words? Please answer out loud. Go. Where have you seen these? Yes, someone in here said it or at least thought it. Tone words. Maybe you saw them on our connotation wall. Or maybe you saw them on your color wheel. And these are words that help express tone. And we've been working on tone and mood. What is the difference between tone and mood? Because, if we look at our pretest results. So what is the difference between tone and mood? What is tone? Someone answer out right now. Go. I really think you got the answer right. Yes, it is the author's attitude. What is mood? Mood is me. Yes, mood is how I feel when I read it. The overall feeling the audience gets. We worked on this last week and we're going to wrap it up today with a final activity. We have been working about identifying mood and identifying the tone of stories and movie clips and music. But what I want to do now is to put you to the test when it comes to writing with a specific tone in mind. So these words taped on the tables are tone words. I need you right now to take your piece of notebook paper and lay it in front of the tone word. So it should go the tone word, underneath that goes your piece of notebook paper, and then your writing utensil and the notebook paper. Go ahead and do that. Great, that should be done. So what we're going to do is I'm going to give you a topic to write about. It could be anything. It could be about horses. It could be about Syria. It could be about you don't know yet. But the fact of the matter is, you're going to sit there and you're going to write on that piece of paper. But whatever the topic may be, you must try and invoke that tone in your story. So let's say you're sitting behind the tone word of hostile. Make sure that when you write about this story, whether it has to do with puppies or ponies or who knows what the topic is, you stay with this hostile attitude. So let's say your topic is puppies. Then maybe you start off the story where the puppy went on the floor and you had a very violent reaction, a hostile emotion. You need to explain that to your audience so then they can feel that correct mood. Now, it might be easy if you just sat there and wrote about, whatever the topic is in that specific tone for the entire class period. But we're not about easy in here. So what's going to happen is you are going to write for 3 minutes. Then you're going to stop. The substitute is going to say rotate. You're going to rotate to the next spot. You're going to read what your neighbor has written down. And then you're going to pick up where they left off, adjusting your tone to the appropriate word that's sitting in front of you. So if you were writing in the hostile seat, and then when you rotate, you are now sitting in the passionate seat, you got to leave that hostile stuff behind. And you need to come back and you need to write in a passionate tone. You're going to keep rotating every 3 minutes. Once you make a full rotation to your original story, then what we're going to do is you can put on a conclusion, finish writing your story. You'll get 5 minutes for a conclusion. And then you're going to share each other's stories because some of them could end up kind of funny. Enjoy this. The sub is going to collect these papers, so make sure that you have your names written on the top of them of everyone who participated in this story. And the sub will collect the papers so then I can read them when I come back. Be good. Remember, you are trying to earn points. So far, you're doing pretty well on points. So make sure that you're working hard. I have all the faith in the world that you can rock it out. Be creative. I love stuff that's outside of the box. So have fun, enjoy, and I shall see you when I return. Behave.